Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. With almost 90-degree view of the Caribbean Sea and St. Mary's coastline from all floors, this imposing 8 bedrooms, 9 bathroom home holds a commanding position on the hill. Well kept and maintained, this home is disposed over 3 floors. Basement contains bedroom and bathroom and a large garage which can hold 4 average size vehicles and a front veranda. Middle floor has living, dining, kitchen, family room, 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms and a spacious front veranda. Top floor has master suite and 2 other en-suites, along with large spacious living room leading out to the top veranda. 2 concrete water storage tanks and well-fruited garden with ackee, mangoes, breadfruit, June plum, bananas, and plantain. Pompano Bay is part of the well-sought-after area of Tower Isles. This prime location gives easy access to many resort attractions, easy access to Kingston, Montego Bay, airports, and other parts of this beautiful island via highways, etc. The land area of this house is 17,206 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £550,000 or Jamaican $110.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.